Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Magapepe token. Name of the token is Magapepe, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, May 30th, on a very big central exchange. This token is on the Solana blockchain. This is a Sol meme token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So yesterday, I uploaded a video on the Simpsons Maga token. That one just got listed on Mexc Global yesterday, or today actually. That one got listed on Mexc Global today, so check out that video. And then today we have the Magapepe token, which is being listed today, already listed actually, May 30th, 13 hours UTC time, which has already passed. The Magapepe token just got listed on Poloniex. So one way you could get this token is to download Poloniex from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Magapepe, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So that's one exchange it's listed on. I also did another video today about the Timeless DeVito token. That token just got listed on Poloniex as well. So check out that token. But yeah, so the Magapepe Twitter, I'm going to put in the corner of the screen right there, at Magapepe Maga. It says, meme the future of crypto, and then it has a link to their contract address. So if Poloniex is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you'd rather use a decentralized exchange, you can also get this token here off a DEX like Radium or Jupiter by funding your Phantom wallet or your Solflare wallet to a Sol, going into the dApps, finding Radium, and then trading your Sol for the Magapepe token using the contract address that you can find on their Twitter right there. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And it has a link to their Telegram right there as well, at Magapepe Maga on Telegram. And they have their webpage there, magapepe.vip. They have 185 tweets, 5,116 followers. And then in their pinned tweet, actually, they're talking about the Simpsons Maga token as well. So maybe it's the same team there. And they have a link to their DEX screener, CoinMarketCap, DEX tools, all these different links in their pinned tweet as well. So it looks like it may be possibly the same team as the Simpsons Maga token, or at least maybe one of the team members, or they're collaborating or something like that. Now, you can find the chart on DEX tools, DEX screener, Bird Eye. You can also find this token listed on SolScan. And their Telegram has 13,324 members. 2,274 of them are online right now. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more. And then their webpage has tons of links. So it looks like they're aiming to be listed on Mexc Global as well, or maybe they already are. It looks like they are. So another way to get this token is to use MEXC Global, and I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there. So basically you follow the same steps as Poloniex, except you can go right through that MEXC Global referral code and then fund your account with USDT. Now it does say 0% tax if you're going to get this token off of a DEX. You probably won't have to worry about slippage. It says, Magapepe combines the iconic Maga movement with the beloved Pepe the Frog, creating a unique meme coin driven by community and decentralized principles with innovative tokenomics, including a deflationary model and rewards for holders. Magapepe ensures both fun and value, engaging the global community through memes, contests, and NFT drops. We aim to make Magapepe a household name in the crypto space, fostering a vibrant, inclusive culture. Join the Magapepe revolution today and be part of the most exciting meme coin project of the year. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to crypto, Magapepe offers a blend of entertainment and real value. With plans to expand into NFTs, a marketplace, DeFi products, together let's take Magapepe to the moon and beyond. Join the Magapepe project and unleash your creativity in a vibrant and dedicated community where everyone has an equal opportunity to share and enjoy the funniest jokes. Together, let's build a unique culture of humor. So there is a large supply for this token here. It's like 42, let me count here because there's too many commas here. That's a million, billion, trillion, 42 quadrillion, 69 trillion tokens. Now, it says, why choose Magapepe? It's the ultimate meme coin revolution, merges Maga with Pepe the Frog, creating a community-driven meme coin with entertainment and a real value. It's a community-driven, decentralized project, governance model that's transparent, ensures fairness and inclusivity, innovative tokenomics, deflationary model, reduces supply over time, rewarding holders with airdrops and staking, engaging and fun, NFT drops, meme contests, social media campaigns, entertainment, global reach with partnerships and influencers. And then we got the Magapepe's NFTs, a marketplace, real utility. And then at the bottom of their page, they have a GitHub, Twitter, Telegram, and contact email. Now, according to Dex Screener, they have a $4.6 million market cap, so they're doing very well. They're up 20% right now today. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $5.1 million, about 9.1 cents per token. It says they have $210,000 in liquidity in Radium, and 99.8% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. And so they also have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security. You can find that on Dex Tools. There's no warnings on that whatsoever. They have 5,620 holders so far. So yeah, go check this token out. You can find it on MEXC Global. Links in the description box. You can find it on Poloniex, Radium. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.